Open a new tab in Chrome and go to Google Apps. From there, select Chrome Web Store to open the Chrome Web Store. So as you can see, I've clicked it and the Chrome Web Store has opened. This is the interface. Now you have to go to Search Extensions and Themes, this search tab, and search for Material U New tab. As you can see, the first recommendation, Material U New tab. Once you click it, the Material U New tab will open. You can download it from here, and as you can see the overview and the details and rating everything, you can just check it out once before downloading it. You can see the details, privacy and everything, and the publishers, ratings, and all the photos as well. Let me show you the photos first. So just click on this add to Chrome button and click on add extension. It is downloading. Now it has been downloaded, as you can see here. Now it has been added to Chrome. So you can just now open your new tab and see the results. Let me just open a new tab. Now the new tab has been opened and you can just see the change. It has been changed much more from what it was before, and it has been a more organized. Now go to manage extensions, and if you toggle this off, you will see that it has been converted back to original. And if you again go to manage extensions, and if you toggle that on, it will again be more organized, and it will again turn on the Material U New tab extension. So here you can see we have the codes and search bar and the clock, everything. Now if you click on that button, you can change the settings of this tab. So as you can see, I am turning on AI tools, then Google Apps, then digital clock, and greeting, and I think I should not turn it on, and motivational quotes and search suggestions. I will turn on this search suggestions thing because it is very helpful. And that's it for me. You can change the settings according to which suits you. And if I refresh this, so it's much more organized and much different from what it was before. And now if I search anything like concept catalyst, it will show the search suggestions, and I can select from that. And we have the AI tools and all the shortcut tabs and everything. Now to format this new tab, see, it still looks boring. If you can format this up, so you can select a theme color from here, which will change this basic theme. Like it was blue before and now it's pink or purple, like something. You can also upload a wallpaper for it, and like for this I am selecting this upload wallpaper option. You have to select the file which you want to upload. I have it in local disk D and wallpapers option. I have these wallpapers and I can select any one of these. You can select any one, or you can download it from Chrome. So I like this one, so I put it on it, and as you can see the results, it's looking much better. It has a wallpaper, it has a color theme, it has all the shortcut options, and it's done. Like you have a new tab.